Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you how did I get married in the USA, how did I get my marriage license, and how did I get my marriage certificate. But first of all, I want to say congratulations to those of you who are engaged and then will get married soon. I came to the USA with K1 visa. My fiance, a US citizen, he is my husband right now. At that time, we decided to have a wedding ceremony at church. So, how did we get our marriage license? 2 days before we had our wedding ceremony, we went to the county to get our marriage license. At the county, they asked us to fill out the form and to show them our valid IDs. So my husband gave them his driving license and I gave them my passport. Then we paid the fee for the marriage license is about $60. Please note here that no refunds will be issued and every state has different fee for marriage license. After paying the fee, they gave us a marriage license that they put it in the envelope and they told us to give it to the pastor, the one who will bless our wedding ceremony. And the pastor signed it. He signed the marriage license on the day of our wedding ceremony and he gave it back to me. We returned it to the county and they gave us a marriage certificate. So that's how we got our marriage certificate. That's a quick process. And then we don't have a difficult process to get our marriage certificate. I suggest you, once you get your marriage certificate, please take a look at your marriage certificate and recheck that your name or your husband's name is correct because sometimes it has spelling mistakes. Last time when I got my marriage certificate, a week later I just realized that my full name is incorrect. So we should to return back to the county. They did some revision and they gave us a new marriage certificate. So guys, that's all from me today. I hope you find this video is useful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to watch more videos about my immigration journey. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.